Hello everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to turn off offensive word in Thread application. So to begin the process, open the Thread app that you have downloaded on your phone device. Tap open Thread application and then get logged in into the account of yours. Once you are logged in, what you need to do is you need to go to the profile of yours. So tap on profile icon on the bottom right, you tap on it, and in the profile section you need to go and tap on the two horizontal lines on the top right corner of your screen. You tap that. From there you need to go to the privacy, tap on it, and in the privacy you need to go and tap on hidden word from the option available. You just tap that. Once you tap that, you will be directed to this page over here, and there on the top you will find offensive word and phrase. Currently this setting is turned on, so for you to disable this or turn off the offensive word in Thread, you tap on off option. Tap that. This will make the changes and it will hide replies that contain offensive word, phrases or emojis on your Thread post. So this is a simple way for how you can hide offensive word that is applied. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.